Namaskar, I am Achar Kalki Krishnan from astrodevam.com. In the series of Navratri we have started, this is the fifth day called Panchami, and the day is ascribed to Ma Skandamata, Divine Mother Skandamata. What is meant by Skandamata? Skandamata means Mother of Skanda. Who is Skanda? Skand is Kartikeya, Murugan Swami, or the elder brother of Ganesh. He is son of Shiv and Parvati. And the story behind the birth of Kartikeya or Murugan Swami is that there was a demon named Tarakasura. He did very vigorous penance for the God, creator God Brahma. And after thousands of years of penance, when God Brahma appeared before the Tarakasur and asked for the boon, then Tarakasur asked boon of immortality, that no one in this universe should be able to kill Tarakasur. Then Brahma said, I cannot bestow him unqualified a boon like this. Then he said, he thought and thought and thought. He thought that Shiv is the divide of all the luxuries of life. He is living the life of an ascetic. And after the death of his wife, Sati, he has left all the material things and he doesn't even contemplate about anything material. So he thought that Shiv in this condition will not marry and will not live any marital life. Then he asked Brahma that I should not be killed except the son of Shiv. Because he thought Shiv will not marry, and if he will not marry, there will not be any son of Shiv. And Brahma bestowed this boon to Tarakasur. Yes, you will not be killed except the son of Shiv. After getting this boon, Tarakasur became very strong and he started to torment the whole universe. Human beings, gods, animals, birds, everything which is in the universe was tortured by Tarakasur. Gods had no option because despite their best efforts, they could not kill Tarakasur due to boon of God Brahma. Then they started to think how to resolve this query, this big problem. Then they also did penance, and after their penance and worships, the goddess Parvati took birth in the home of Himalaya, and she ultimately, as per the story already told to you, in the last 4 days she was married to the Shiv, and ultimately she became mother of Skand or Kartikeya or Murugan. And when Murugan or Kartikeya took birth, he became the commander of the divine army, Devatas or gods. And in his leadership, Devatas or divine beings attacked Tarakasur, and ultimately with the fight with Kartikeya, Tarakasur was killed. There was a lot of joyous in the whole universe after his death. So the Ma Skandamata was instrumental in the killing of Tarakasur, and that's why she is worshipped as the Skandamata or mother of Kartikeya. And if you see the form of mother Skandamata, divine mother Skandamata, she is mounted on this lion who is very ferocious, but the appearance of Mother Skandamata is very lovely. She has a lot of affection as she has just become mother of a Skanda. She has 4 hands. In two hands, she has lotus. In one hand, she is holding his son Kartikeya, and in the fourth hand is in the blessing posture like this. So she is bestowing a lot of affection and boons and blessings on her devotees. So we should all worship Divine Mother Skandamata. She is very simple and sober. We in the is in the totally very bright white color, and the mantras ascribed to her are, let me recite all these mantras which you can see on the screen. The most powerful mantra is Bij mantra, seed mantra. It is Om Hrim Klim Devyai Namah. Another mantra is that Ya Devi Sarvbhuteshu Skandamata Rupeण Sanstita Namastasya 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 Namo Namah. Another mantra is Om Devi Skandamataye Namah. And the last mantra, fourth mantra, very popular, is that Singhasan Gata Nityam Padmasrit Kardvaya Shubda Astu Sada Devi Skandamata Yashaswini. Fourth mantra is only the depiction of her form or appearance. So ideally you should worship her with the first three mantras, and you should offer bananas to her because she loves the bananas, because these are very nutritious to her as well as his son Kartikeya. And the most beautiful thing about the Divine Mother Skandamata is that when you are worshipping Mother Skandamata, you are not only getting the blessings of Mother Skandamata, you are also getting blessing of the Skanda, because this is the only form of Divine Mother Durga in which along with Mother there is another god Skand is there. In all the other 8 forms only Goddess Durga is there. So it is very peculiar form of Mother Skandamata. And you must have heard the flax seeds. In Hindi it is called alsi or tisi. The blue flowers of flax seeds are very beloved to the Skandamata. So if you have these flowers are available to you, you should offer to the Divine Mother Skandamata. She will love this on your part. Another thing is that my suggestion for the mothers who want very successful son or children, they should worship Mother Skandamata, because she is mother of very successful son who took birth for a particular purpose and he successfully executed that mission. So if you want, dear mothers, if you want successful son or girl or your children, then you should worship Mother Skandamata. Another thing, if in the case of some differences between children and mother, if you are worshipping Ma Skandamata, then the differences will iron out and everything will be clear and smooth, and harmony will prevail in the relationship of mother and children. So far as planets are concerned, generally it is believed that problems of Mercury are solved after the worship of Mother Skandamata. In some traditions, Mother Skandamata is also related to the planet Jupiter, because in the astrology Jupiter is the Karka of Sun. So if you mainly you get the benefit of planet Mercury, and in other ways also you get the benefit of planet Jupiter. And in the tradition of yoga and tantra, it is related to the Vishuddha chakra, also called throat chakra. So if you have some communication issues or some problem related to the this Vishuddha throat chakra or some hormonal issues related to this, or if you want to be good singer, want to good voice, then you should also worship Mother Skandamata. Another very secret thing is that if you are in the tradition of yoga and tantra, then you may also use the mantra Om Hum for worshipping Mother Skandamata. This is the secret, but this mantra is only to be used in case you are in the tradition of tantra. Otherwise, you should use only the mantra already informed to you earlier. So, all the lovely mothers worship Skandamata for the successful and famed children. Let the blessings of Mother Skandamata fall upon you and your children. Namaskar, I am Achar Kalki Krishnan from astrodevam.com.